Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat.
Channel Slim Jen, please remember to turn on your post notification, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel. So today we're gonna be trying the Oliver skin recharging magnetic mask. So this is how the box looks. Oh, listen to what it has. Oh, okay. So we're gonna read directions because you know. Okay, there they are. Direction. How to use. It says the spatula spread and the layer cover cleaning face, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover magnetic with tissue and giving over the surface the skin until the mask has been removed completely. If any product remains on the skin, do not wash the face. Instead, wipe the product off with a clean tissue. After removing the mask completely, massage the mineral reduced into skin with your fingertip. Use twice a week, AM or PM. Do not use water. Do not use water. It says for extreme use only. So this is how the box looks. So we're gonna use a knife. Careful, don't almost cut myself. Careful. So this is the unboxing. So there we go. Okay. So that's how it looks. So what we have here, okay, so it comes with this to protect it. Has a little, it feels heavy. It's one of the checker piece. You see? It looks like a checker piece. And this is, oh damn, this is kind of heavy too. It's kind of nice. Nice. So when I open it, it looks like this. Look. So what we're gonna do now is where's my spatula? Right here. I'm gonna start applying it to my face. So what I'm gonna be doing is, it says a thin layer to my face. So what I'm gonna do, okay, so you guys see what I'm looking at is the mirror. So if I'm not looking at the camera, that's why. So this is my spatula, and then I'm trying to apply everything, so you know. Ooh, okay, it smells good too. Okay, it smells like, I don't know, it smells like like cologne or something, but it doesn't say it's for men. So what you want to do is like cover every area. Remember, after you cover every part that you need improvement, what you want to do is you're going to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. And you have to, yo, this is like really nice. Okay, so we're going to this part of the face. This is my trouble area. Right there. Right there. So what I usually do is like this, because no matter what, you still gonna hit your eyebrows. Ooh, kind of feel nice on your skin. So right there, cover and cover. So feels like every part is covered. Nice. So this is how I look. Always cute, never ugly. Ooh, yes. Look at my stuff. A husband. Yes, bitch. Look at me. Look at me, look at me, look at me. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take a short break and we're gonna come back after 10 minutes so you guys could see the magic. So we're back after 10 minutes and we're gonna try it. What I did is I wrapped it on one of these. So So this is how it looks wrapped. And we are honestly gonna try. So I'm gonna put a mirror like this so you guys could see it. And here we go. Oh my god! Oh my god! You see it? You saw it? Look at this. That is crazy. It actually does do it. What kind of physics is this, yo? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Yo. Oh my god. Look. And it doesn't put. Oh my god. Why is it like that? That is so cool. I'm gonna do it. My hose, you know, technically. I mean, I don't got a hose right to my book. I'm kidding. If he's watching. Okay, so. Oh my god, yo. Oh! You saw my eye twitch? Yo, this is really cool. It literally feels like, I don't know, when you're next to a dog and you feel their skin, that's how it feels like. If that makes any sense. Oh my god. Look at this. It kind of looks cool. I don't know if I should clean it yet or should I wait? Should I clean it? Okay, so I'm gonna just clean it with a paper towel. Oh my, damn, it is difficult to clean. Cause you know, it's magnet, so you know. Ah! It went on the paper again. Okay, oh shit, I broke the bag. Okay, so, okay, so what we're gonna do, okay. So, it's, oh my god, it actually went on the thing now. Jesus. So we're back again, and we're gonna finish the last part of my face. You see the difference? Look at that. Look, 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 look. Okay, so I'm trying to take every part of it out because it says, oh my god, it feels like a little air. You see, look, look. You see? Oh, look, I have no mustache no more. So, okay, you're gonna keep going. Okay. Right there, take everything off. Look, I'm not even gonna be looking at it because I know it's coming off. Yo, this is like magic. And this was only $6 on the Amazon. So your face gets clean, and then oh my god, this is like magic. And it's only $6, and if you have Prime, it gets to your house in 2 days. So what you want, it says to try to get everything off your face. You see, even that thing I go back because it's magnet, so it takes it back. So you see, oh my, our face already feels better. So it's a charcoal mask, and it's supposed to take out your blackhead. Look at that. Look at my nose. Look at my nose. You see what I'm talking about? My blackheads are barely there. That is some crazy shit. I mean, stuff. Because I don't know who's watching, so. Look at that. Imagine my whole eyebrow comes out. I'm kidding. Don't imagine that. That'd be funny. Okay, so I'm trying to, right here. Kind of stuck in my hair. And let me go over it one more time to make sure. Yo, this doesn't even feel like anything, or it feels like it's like fluffy, if it makes sense. Like, you need to try this. Yo, this is like my life right now. Again, this is the box for it. So it's on Amazon. It's like a $6. You can't go any wrong. It has this and this, and then you can buy these baggies at the 99-cent store. You know, look at this. Oh my gosh, my face feels so much brighter. Right there. No. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some moisturizer just to, you know, just in case we're going out or anything. So the last thing is to add some moisturizer because I feel like my skin feels amazing. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. Oh, make sure not to add water. I don't know why, but just make sure not to add water because that's what the instruction says. Do not add water, and make sure to add your moisturizer because I don't know if it's supposed to dry your face, but it says for internal use only, so that means your face is gonna get dry. And if you have any little black stuff left, make sure you rub it in. So look, make sure you rub it in, and look, this is the last that we saw. You see, look. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification. And let me know about any more do-it-yourself videos.
I'm with somebody